First thing you need to do, Alex, is you have to find your garage water heater. On mine it's 11, so I'll find 11 right here. I'll turn it off.
Crazy.
Then, are you filming it?
Yeah, I lost the shoe.
Then you'll take the upper panel off.
Can phones even send this long of a video?
Yes.
Here is your reset button, right here. Here is your thermostat. Mine is set at 125. To move it, just like that. Okay? To check the elements, make sure your element is working properly. You put it on a continuity. So you know that it's working. If this needle would not move, that means the C press beta.
You should let it move, like take it off so it moves.
So you would have to remove the remove the element out and change it with a new one. Do the same thing with the thermostat because you can buy them at the same package. 2 elements, 2 thermostats. This is how the upper one looks like. The bottom one is going to be a little different. It's going to be a little smaller, but it's the same thing. After you change it, put it back in.
Dad, you should start a YouTube channel.
Put it all back together.
I want me to just end it?
Yeah, and that's it.
Alright. Bye.